How's it going, guys? I'm here with the Z again, and I got a package in the mail today. So today we're just going to be doing little things with the Z. I'm fairly sure these are my door handles, so I'm going to be replacing the driver's side one and just some other little things that I'll explain on the way, so let's get to it. Alright, got the package opened here. Fine safety wrapper. There we go. We got door handle number 1, door handle number 2. So the problem with these door handles are very cheap, but the problem with these 350 door handles are that they're all American. So they're all left-hand drive. So the keyhole is on the left-hand drive, and there's no keyhole on the right-hand drive. On the right hand side. So what I'm going to have to do is, I can just drill a hole through for the keyhole, but I don't think I can be bothered. It's got central locking, like keyless entry anyways. So if the key, and it seems to be working, like it doesn't have any problems, and if I run out of the battery, that's my own bad, but I would much rather just have a door handle that works. So let's get to installing this bad boy. The first thing we're going to want to do is take, this is from our old one, a bit that snapped off. So just checking it out, and you see all this is plastic but all this is metal. It'd be nice if they made like an aluminum door handle so this problem wouldn't happen, but what we're going to have to do is take this metal rod and put it into here. And there we have that, very easy. It just clips in and out and slides out, very easy. Now to the door. So now at the door, I'm just going to take these 2 rubber grommets out. 2, revealing 2 holes. Where you'll see there's 1 10mm bolt in each, and we'll just go ahead to removing those now. So after taking your 2 bolts out, 1, 2, you can see the door handle comes right off, and all you have to do is undo the bolt holding the key in, well, the lock in, sorry. It's just another 10mm bolt. And now that they're off, you can see that this one's broken, this one's good. Chances are that it'll happen to this one in the future, but not for a while, hopefully. So now it's just reverse order, and we'll put all this back in. So after you get your bolts in, you just want to put your rubber grommets back in. Oh, make sure they pop in all nice. Then go ahead and shut the door, and it's a moment of truth time. Oh my god! Oh, I cannot tell you how satisfying that is. Now, knowing I won't have to go through my fucking passenger side to open my door. Going to be normal. $50 off eBay for the pair, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's so satisfying. Watch me get locked out of my car now because my key fob dies. Alright, on to the next thing. You guys can see, I just did a quick time lapse of cleaning out my car. And now onto a second activity. Well, I've virtually already done it, but I'll show you guys. Oh, forgot to take off my shoes. Woo! See ya. The problem I was having was my cruise control stopped working. Like, it would turn on the dash, but it wouldn't set. So I was doing some research, and it's a common problem for... There's a few sensors on your clutch and your brake pedal. Give me 2 seconds, I'm going to grab a light. Alright, so on the back of the brake and clutch pedal, there's these sensors. Just have these little... This is the sensor here. Let me just grab this light. Sensor here. And as you can see, there's a zip tie right there. There's meant to be a rubber grommet where that zip tie is. Right there, where that zip tie is. I'll show you guys now. But yeah, where that zip tie is a rubber grommet, and as you can see, pushes that pin in with that sensor. And that tells the cruise control. There's also a sensor right above it on the brake for the brake lights. So the bottom one is for the cruise control, top one's for the brakes, and oh my god, that was a struggle. It tells the so you see when the brake or clutch is pushed in, so it tells it to turn the cruise control off, and because the rubber grommet was missing, this is actually it right here. It's all broken and shit. See that? This is only part of it, the other half is missing. See that little nipple bit fit inside that circle bit, and that pushed on the sensor. So without that, the cruise control just wouldn't engage because it thought the brake pedal was always in. Luckily it wasn't the other top one, because that signals the brake lights to be on, and if that was the case, the brake lights would just be on permanently. Yeah, that was an easy fix. Luckily a zip tie I just put in there was enough to trigger the sensor. What else do I have to do? Yeah, that's an easy fix on how to fix that. Apparently it's a very common issue with the 350s. Well, that's about all I have for the 350 for today. Just a few little things to help it make it a bit better for daily. You really need to give it a wash. Fuck, it's dirty. So much poop and dirt. Hopefully I'll be getting new wheels soon, get rid of these. Yeah. Stay tuned for next time, guys. I hope you guys watched the Drift Day video. That was fun. Yeah. Till next time for 350 things.